Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! And in this video guys, nakaka-makeup lang ni Mamshi. And of course, I would love to dance and dance kasi today is Labor Day and I would love to spend this day with a smile in my heart. Char! Okay, so ayun guys, sasayaw tayo. Sasayaw tayo ng viral remix. Ano to? And let's go guys! Barayli ngayon. Piyesta ngayon sa Tulunga po.
Just thank you on my incline. Well, it is mine. 10 new matters and big fly. Rebound. You know I'm the hitter with the e-line. Run it out, meaner. When I got you, I am with the leaner. We gonna party like it's 30-12 tonight. I wanna show you all the funniness, baby. Like, so you forget about the world. Big arms tonight. Good time and fire. I'm coming for ya.
Ate, pag mo ito siya siya.
Come second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got shades on your eyes and you feel so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody looks so nice. Everybody looks so nice. Can you feel that? We're playing with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. We care about the price tag.
Bye, thanks for watching!